Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. I am very happy to see you here today, and in this video I am sharing a perfect mask for acne prone skin, and that is the banana mask. This mask is wonderful if we want to keep pimples at bay. So first I'm going to show you how I usually prepare this mask, and then I will talk about each of the ingredients so we could actually know why these ingredients are wonderful for our skin. So obviously I will start with the main ingredient, and that will be a banana. So what we need to do is mash the banana. So you could mash, any way you prefer. It could be a blender. I just really love to do it by hand. So I will just crush the banana in here, and I will mash it. Once your banana is mashed, we're going to transfer it into another bowl where we're going to prepare our mask. So I'll just put it in here. Just like that. And then we shall add the second ingredient. And the next ingredient would be the turmeric powder. Well, you have several options. I usually get, it in the form of a powder, or because I really add it to so many things, or you could just use turmeric, that comes in the form of a spice. So we shall need half a teaspoon of the turmeric powder. And that is for the amount of 1 medium banana. And the last ingredient would be baking powder. Baking powder would go in the same amount, half a teaspoon. Once we have all our ingredients here in the bowl, we shall only need to mix them up. And while I'm trying to do a good job at mixing this mask, I would just mention here that we're using bananas because they are really perfect for acne prone skin, especially if you have mild to moderate acne. You can really incorporate this mask into your regular routine. Bananas are packed with vitamin A, and this is a great vitamin to fight acne. It actually promotes skin cell turnover and helps to, your pores to stay clean. It also contains zinc. This is the ultimate acne mineral, and it's actually, if you eat bananas, I think it's also a good idea to add them into your diet. It's, a stress relieving food. Besides, they are very rich in vitamin C, B6, and magnesium. If you are going to eat bananas, I think eating bananas that are not really ripe is the best idea. Not like the bananas that have really, really dark spots here, because they would be a great prebiotic food, and that is really important for the gut bacteria. So the second ingredient we were using was the turmeric powder, and we're using it because it wards off acne causing bacteria, and it's really great for your skin, for the, to lighten up the acne scars, or actually any scars on your skin. And the baking soda, of course, really is good because it absorbs the excess oil in our skin, and it is also going to help us to mildly exfoliate the skin, without causing any irritation, because if you have any acne, you don't want to use harsh scrubs or irritate your skin, but exfoliation is still very important. So once we know all about the ingredients, you can see that here it's a perfect consistency mask. Don't be afraid that your face will be yellow. So what I would recommend you is to use this mask once or twice a week, and while you are applying it, let it sit for 10-15 minutes as any regular mask. If you steam your face before, that would be really a great idea. Your pores would be really open, and it will help the mask to do a better job. So once you use this mask, you would clean it, with warm water. You could even massage it into your face, and then you use the toner. If you're afraid that your skin is yellow, try to use it in the evening. So in the morning, once you wash your face again, there will be no yellow on your face, and definitely use a toner afterwards. So this is the close-up of the mask. It looks even a little foamy, but this is really, it's a perfect consistency mask. This is a lot of mask here, as you could see. It's definitely good for more than once, and so I wouldn't recommend you to really store it, because it's all natural mask and the bananas, but if you want, you could store it in a glass container with a lid and try to use it as soon as possible. So I really hope you guys like this video. You will use this mask and experience all the benefits, the beauty benefits it gives you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate your support and attention. I wish you all the best, and I'll see you in my next video.